Hello guys, welcome to Cruise Control. BMW will start selling the new luxury model X8 next year, with its rivals being the Mercedes GLS, Audi Q8 and the Range Rover. While we wait for the premiere, these new renderings from the British Auto Express show its possible appearance. It should also be reminded here that BMW submitted a request for protection of the X8M name last year. According to some earlier announcements, the regular BMW X8, codenamed G09, will share most of the components with the X7. Sources state that the X8 will have two 12.3-inch displays inside, along with the most modern iDrive infotainment system. The range includes 6-cylinder petrol and diesel engines, as well as a plug-in hybrid version, a combination of a 3-liter 6-cylinder petrol and electric motor. However, what attracts special attention is precisely the information about the sporty X8M model, whose appearance can be expected during the model year 2022. The X8M includes a more aggressive aero body kit, M-Alu wheels, sports suspension and brakes, a new exhaust system, as well as a refined interior with sports seats and steering wheel. Some rumors also say that the X8M will have a hybrid propulsion system with a total of 750 HP, 4.4-liter V8 twin-turbo engine and electric motor with CO2 emissions of less than 100 grams per kilometer. Whether you agree or disagree with my views, I love to read your comments. Thanks for watching, and stay safe everyone.